Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to delete your GitHub repository. First of all, log into GitHub, then go to your profile. You have to click in here, then select your profile. After that, it is showing the option repository. You have to click on here. Then you have to select your GitHub repository which you want to delete. I want to delete my GitHub repository called TSO. Then I click on here. Then what you have to do is you have to go to settings, click in here, then under the general, you're already in general as default, you have to scroll down to the bottom. Okay, I scroll down to the bottom and you can see danger zone. In danger zone, there's option called delete the repository. In click on this button, it is still asking you want to delete this. Click on here and another warning, click on here. Then it is ask you to type your GitHub name and type your GitHub repository name. Type my GitHub name, then slash, I type my GitHub repository name. Okay. Now you can click on this button, delete the repository. Okay, I click on this. Okay. It is still in that. It is successfully deleted. Thank you, everyone.